bad enough. I have to smell that.
Smells like downy fart, darny. Downy fart.
Sarah, why do you and Mom have to fart like that?
I don't know.
A-N-T-H-O-N.
Oh, that was AJ or the dog.
I did hear it too.
Oh.
What?
That was,
That was Nick?
no, it was my,
Oh.
Is that on the 5 gigahertz network?
No, it's not. Let me get it. Have it there.
Who's the phone?
Oh, it's not booted up yet.
Still not booted in yet?
Where'd you guys get that background?
Isn't that default background in there? I think that's one of the
No.
default backgrounds.
I don't know. What's the password to this?
Oh, basement?
Hmm?
Basement?
Nancy is pretty long.
No, I'll type it in. So it stays there, because it's recording. You got that, Allie?
What?
Okay, you should be connected now.
You're going to the site.
Hold on. Damn it. What did I do with that tape that we got today?
Okay, you gotta click on the
Hold
top
on.
of this.
I have to go on the network. Hold on. You guys aren't, you're on the network, but you're not on my network. Is set. Okay, so. Alright, so you should be okay on the network now.
Okay, go ahead, please.
You put your name in here. Well, first, if you want to make it to a person, you say you need a nickname. Or I forgot the password, it has a rhyme for it.
You gotta know your password, right?
Yeah. You make your name up, but if it doesn't show up, that means somebody picked it. You have to put a password in here, you gotta repeat your password, type in your answer, which means
What?
a password hint.
What is that on there?
Hello, Daddy.
This is Agnes.
This is Alex. This is bad news. This is Bruce. This is Brad.
This is good news. This is Junior. This is Kathy.
This is Piper.
This is Moses.
This is Ralph.
This is Rhinoid. This is Vicky. This is Victoria.
This is Whisper. This is Starbucks. Albert, I have the virus. 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 I have the virus.
Agnes. I have a virus. I have a virus. I have a virus.
Their favorite gaming destination. Introducing Club Shockwave.
Is that the
A whole new
Nickelodeon
way to
site?
play online.
Yeah.
Club Shockwave offers hundreds of exclusive games.
What was
including
that?
Twists on classic card games, slots,
Weird.
and puzzles.
Go to
You're
need a nickname.
dancing, Adele.
It says need a nickname.
Should have
Choose a
gotten your
nickname,
back.
choose a password, repeat your password.
You're dancing, Adele.
Password hint, what?
Should have gotten your
When you were
back.
born, you just
Get
made...
off the computer.
What?
What did it say?
I don't know.
Somebody get off the computer. Huh?
What?
I'll be back.
What are you guys doing?
I'm watching you.
Doing what? Is that the Nick site? Does the Nick site talk?
No.
That's what the Nick site says?
I'll be back. Nice
It
shirt.
never ever does that.
Nice.
Did you log into anything?
Bite me.
Biting.
Go to the site.
We are at the
Unit.
site.
Oh, you're there. Alright.
Yeah. It's talking.
Help. Get me out of this computer. Help. computer.
I'm not helping you.
What are you looking at? I'll be back.
What in the world?
But they don't know your name anyway, right?
No, they don't. I hope not. I never knew the Nick site did that. That's strange.
Victoria. Do it.
No.
I have a virus.
They're saying that my computer has a virus.
Oh, what did you guys download?
Hello, Ally.
Hello, Ally.
Oh, I do know her name's Maddie.
Huh?
I do know her
Hello,
name.
Ali.
Oh, she logged in.
Oh, she logged in.
Hello, Ali.
Who?
Mhm.
Who
I guess you're wondering why
says
I'm
hello,
like
Ali?
this and what's going on.
Hello, whoever your name is.
Cool.
Now at the Nick Arcade, where
Say
the
hello
Sharky
to
2 times and his
Nobby
crew
Men.
are trying to take over Bikini Bottom.
Say hello to Nobby Mean.
To
Say
what?
hello to Nobby Mean.
What's that?
What?
What?
What do you want?
Nothing. I'm looking at it.
Why?
I don't know.
Because
I don't know. I'm not talking to you.
why no tie? Why no tie?
Nothing.
Why not?
What? We don't know what she's saying.
Huh?
What?
You smell.
What'd you say?
No.
I remember that voice.
Hmm.
Daddy.
You smell.
You suck, computer.
Stop it.
What?
What?
Was that funny, guys?
Yeah. Daddy, I knew it was you.
Alright, guys, this is what we're gonna do. No. Tomorrow, if Emily comes over, don't say nothing. We're gonna prank her with this.
What are you gonna
Say
say?
hello to Nobby Mean.
We'll be like, you're gonna tell her, hey, go on, no, that's enough. You're gonna tell her to go on the website, okay? Then you guys are gonna clear out. And then the computer's gonna say, Emily, what are you doing? Why are you typing that? Stop it. And this is, huh?
And then what we'll do, we'll
Then
take the
she's gonna
camera.
say, Daddy, she's not gonna say,
We'll
huh?
take the
She's gonna say,
camera
No.
and make the camera.
I'm gonna put the
look
camera
at
just like I did right here.
us.
I had it here the whole time.
Oh, you